Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Right about this time of year, I slowly get myself ready for the holidays. Planning which main course I'll be serving, which desserts and sweet treats I'll be baking, and also what cocktail I'll be mixing. There's a popular liqueur that I like to make myself, and every year it's on my to-do list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Tia Maria. This is a lovely recipe, and honestly, it tastes better than the one from the store. It's very easy to prepare, but the key for a great Tia Maria is to let it sit for a while. That's why it's a good idea to make it in advance. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a measuring cup, we'll add instant coffee. Now, depending on how I feel, sometimes I use instant espresso coffee, like this one here. And then we'll pour in half a cup of boiling water. We'll stir until the granules are all dissolved and set aside. In a pot, we'll add sugar and a cup and a half of cold water. We'll set the heat on medium and stir until the sugar is all dissolved. As soon as it's done, we'll remove from the heat and let it sit until the mixture gets to room temperature, about 15 minutes. To this, we'll add vanilla extract and the coffee, as well as the alcohol. We'll give a good stir so all the ingredients are well blended. We'll pour the mixture into a liquor decanter and let it sit for 3 to 4 weeks so it has time to mellow out. And my friends, this is our Tia Maria. Very easy to make. This delicious homemade liqueur is a great one to have around. Served on the rocks, with some milk, or as an ingredient for another cocktail, this flavorful coffee liqueur is sure to please your guests. Like I always say, drink responsibly and please don't drink and drive. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!